Welcome to Linda Chronicles. How are you today? Hope all is well. Yeah, you gotta excuse me for a minute. I'm hot. I'm hot. I'm hot. That's telling my age. Yo. Okay. I'm sorry. But I'm hot. Okay. What are we going to talk about today? Okay. Real quick in a hurry. Anyway, I hope your day was great. Yeah. I had a good day. I talked a lot today. And some days I don't hardly talk at all. You know, really, I think I'm kind of quiet, pretty much. Unless I'm around certain people. Very few people, I just run my mouth. Don't let me eat some. Like what? French fry. Ow. I love me some French fries. My nickname should have been French fry. French fries not good for you though, but I love them. I'm gonna stop. Let me get to the point. What I'm gonna talk about today. I want to talk about how to make some extra money. You know, extra change you can get right then and there. Yeah. Guess what it is? Guess. Uber. Yes. Yeah. I love me some Uber. Yeah, my sister taught me, do it. I'm not that good. I'm really not that good, but I'm different because I'm not Pizza Hut. I tell somebody in a minute, I'm not no pizza. I don't do like Pizza Hut. I'm sorry. Safety comes first. Safety. But anyway, I do it after work a little bit, maybe an hour or so. And you get money right then and there. Yeah, ain't much money. It's Uber Eats. Like they have the other Uber where you pick up people, but I don't pick up people. Some people don't want people in their car, which I understand. So if you just pick up the food and then go deliver it. But what I do, this one man laughed at me. I don't care. I don't care. I'm not coming to nobody's house door. No, no, unless you old and feeble. And then I do it when I hear it in your voice or whatever. But yeah, I don't go to their door. I ask them to come outside and pick it up. But people are, some people are kind of don't like it and they go off. Yeah, I can't say what I did, but anyway, yeah, forgive me, Father. But anyway, yeah, you make your extra change. What it do? How it works like this? You go sign up. I'm gonna give you my ID. You can say referred by Linda, and I'll give you my code number. You can give. Yeah, they give us a fee for referral. I need it, so if you want to do it, you can go under me if you like. I'm gonna tell you. I'm trying to explain it to you real quick. You sign up. You can sign up online. They may have a hub where you can go to. When I say hub, a little bitty office where you can go to. May and may not. You can go there, but you have to have insurance on your car. You got to have at least liability on your car. I don't think it has to be a certain year, but if you are a driver picking up people, it has to at least be, I think, if I'm not mistaken, at least a 2006. No, wait, no, hold on, back up the car. Let me see. No, yeah, but okay, like I said, you go, you can do it online. And they'll tell you what to do step by step, or you can go to the hub that they have in your city if they have one. You go there and you just sign up. You have your driver's license and proof of liability to show them you have insurance. And you can get, I think I got started, it took me about 2 days, I think, before they did whatever they did, check my background, I guess. And then I was up and running. Yeah. But the first time, oh, it's so bad. I didn't have nobody to call because I think what I do, I text my problems in. I don't think there's a person you just call up, and just tell them your problem. I don't think. That's what I know, but it could be something different. But I just don't know about it. But I text my problem in or whatever and get back to me. They take their time sometime, but so sometimes people don't come or you get lost. Your phone die on you or something, and you just have to eat that food. You got to pay for it too. No, they may count it off as a loss. I don't know, but yeah, they know in the beginning you're gonna have problems. You know, they'll let you make it. Well, I think they let me make it. They'll let you make it, but you better get it together quick. Yeah, but yeah. What else can I tell you about Uber Eats? I love it. I just do it maybe for an hour after work, like I said, and you know, you get paid right then and there. You have a card. You can have an Uber card where they don't take no money off. They give you like a debit card, a Uber Eats debit card. I forgot what it's called, but anyway, and the money goes straight there. You can have it go straight there, like direct deposit or whatever. Or like mine, my other one is not any good, so I use my debit card. I use my debit card and let it go straight to one of my debit cards. That's what I do. Yeah. So, but when I finish doing my hour or two or whatever, I cash out, whatever you make, $20 or whatever, you know, I cash out then and there. Not always. Sometimes I just let it add up, and then I go shopping on the weekend. Yeah, I go shopping on the weekend. You know, thrift shops, online shopping. I am an addict. Online shopping. I gotta control myself. I know my coworker used to see me doing it. He said, "Oh, I know what you're doing. You shopping online because you're just too happy." Yeah, and I be making bargains too. I be, you know, reduce that price by 50%. Some people get mad, but I have so much fun. But anyway, yeah. My extra change to play around with. Yeah. Keep me busy. Keep me excited. Anyhow. Okay. What else? You cash out right then and there. That's a good thing. If you need gas or whatever. If you want to go out to eat that day, you don't want to touch your other money, just do it for an hour. And then cash out and go eat. Well, you don't have to cook. Yeah. But if you have children, you gotta cook. Okay, that's about it. I thought I'd just drop you that line. Oh, my French fry getting cold. Call me French fry. No, I'm gonna stop eating French fries. I think. Anyway, love you much. Mucho amor. Peace. Later. I need to tell you a few more things if you're going to start Uber, because I don't want you to wreck your car and then blame me. Okay? If you do Uber Eats, I would suggest to use an old car. Use an old car, because I saw this one guy, he had started with Uber Eats and he was picking up people too. His car was all towed up. He towed his car up, dents all. I'm like, what is this? That can easily happen when you're driving a lot and you're tired or you're hungry, and then people driving bad and you don't know where you're going, you know. So, you know, you can have a new car pick people up, whatever, that'd be nice. But if you're doing Uber Eats, you're not making that much money, I would suggest an old used car. I mean, one that's reliable, of course. And one thing is, a problem is spilling stuff. So make sure you get this little cart. You get the thing you put your drinks in. If you don't have one in your car, the holder, you know, sometimes you need more. You might have 4, so you can get the little crate from McDonald's or whatever and keep it in your car. And they give you a thing where you can keep it warm, the food warm, or you can go buy your own. Yeah, and some of the other downfalls, you may have stuff spilling. So if you do it like that, you should have less spills. Let me see what else. Oh, this would ate me up, make me start saying a few unholy words. When I go to an apartment or whatever complex, the gate, you know, like the gate supposed to swing, go either slide this way and open, or go that way and open. I hate when it comes your way. It comes your way like this. It comes in like this and hit my car. But you know, I ain't tripping too much because that's an older car. But you know, but still hit my car. I'm like, oh my God, it's gonna tear up my car. Happened twice, so I always gotta be careful. You know, see how the gates flow. You can ask them when you get there, or call them and ask them something. Oh, excuse me, that's a habit I got. Lift it up. Anyway, so yeah, don't use an old car if you're gonna be doing Uber Eats. And to me, I'm just gonna let you know because you'll be mad. If you do breakfast, I don't do breakfast. That's just me. I don't do breakfast. Oh, hell to the no. No, no, no. No, they want to pay $3 and something. $3 one time. $3.50 some cents. I'm like, oh my God, you gotta be kidding. I turned the thing off. That's a clean version. I turned it off. And I'm like, gotta be kidding. So it happened to me one time before. I'm like, what is this? Because usually I do it after work and you get pretty decent pay, 6, 7, 9, 10, It seems like the later you do it, the more it is. Yeah, more it is. And I don't drive at night. You can't see nothing anyway. It's not even worth it. To me, it's not even worth it, especially picking up food and dropping it off. Plus, it's not even safe. As a woman, you don't do that. Like I told this one woman, if you want somebody to come to your door, and it's getting to the creep, it's almost time for me to close down on this. If you want a man to come to your door, ask them for a man, please. I'm not the one. I'm not no Pizza Hut. I love saying that. I'm not no Pizza Hut. No. Better come outside and get this. Okay. Be good, Linda. Be good. Be good. Yeah. What else can I tell you so you won't be mad at me when you start doing it? Yeah, that's the main thing. You don't want to tear up your car. Because it can easily happen. And make sure you get that GPS holder for your phone, or someplace in your car that, they don't have to mess with it back and forth. What else? I'm trying to think. Yeah, because I was thinking, I'm like, oh my God, I better tell them about, some things, not to tear up your car. Oh yeah, oh, this is the good part. Oh, hold on, this is the good part. It's the part I like, kind of, sort of like. Okay, when I get to the location, I don't have all day to be waiting for you to come outside. So you need to hurry up and come outside, okay? Or do something, okay, or answer the phone. At least answer the phone, please. Don't have me come here and you sleep. Have me waiting forever. I'm not going to do that. I've learned not to do that. Okay, I'll call them or I'll text them, and then I'll call them to please step outside. And then I notify the Uber Eats that I have done that. Some little part you push it so Uber Eats can give them a call too. And then they'll pop up a clock. They give you 5 minutes to wait on them. 5 minutes. It'll be a countdown. I learned that instead of wasting my time. So yeah, countdown, 5 minutes. If they don't come outside, you still get paid for that trip, and they get charged. And then you have some lunch. If you don't want the food, because I don't like to eat all that meat and stuff, I give it away to my neighbors. I don't eat all that, but sometimes they have some good food. They order some healthy food, so that's a good thing. Yeah, that's real important. Text them, call them, and then if they don't answer and all that, you make sure you push this little thing on there, notify Uber, and you wait 5 minutes. They don't come, go. They will give you another order. They will give you another order to pick up. And what else? Yeah, that's real important. You don't want to waste your time. I'm tired. Excuse me, I'm so tired. Yeah, tired. I've been ripping and running. Just got off. And what else? That's the most important thing. Yeah, what else? That. Yeah. Just be careful. Lock your doors and all that. Okay, everybody. If you want to do some Uber Eats, yeah. See, I'm telling you, there's no reason for somebody to beg for $10, $20 when you got a car. When you have a decent car, even halfway decent. I won't say my problem with my car that I have. One problem I have with my car, and I need to get that handled. But I love my car. I love my car. I love it. It's so good on gas, and I love my car. I need to get me another car though, but I love that one. It's better than that big one. Yeah. Okay, enough talking, Linda. Zip. Okay. Enjoy your evening. Mucho amor. Bye. Peace. Later. Yeah.